Alright, we've got a data set here with 3,398 rows. And when you're dealing with this much data, manually sorting through it is not simply the way to go. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel sort function to sort this entire data set dynamically. And the beautiful part is, we are not going to mess around with manually moving rows. Let's see what sort can actually do. First, I'm going to show you the simple way you can sort your data using Excel, the shortcut that Excel has provided. Now, for instance, you want to sort this data, and specifically this column. So you'll just highlight the entire column, and after you highlight, you come and click data here, and then you come and sort. Once you click sort, Excel will ask you to confirm the total vacancy days. Yes, that is the column you want to sort. The sort on, which is the cell values. Yes, you can choose if it is color, conditional formatting, and then you're gonna give the order, the last part. So you want to sort it from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. You can go ahead and sort it vice versa because it's sorted in the smallest, so we sort it to largest to smallest. And there you go. You see, Excel has sorted the values in this column. But the formula I'm going to teach you will sort the entire data. In an empty cell beside your data, you put the equal sign, simply telling Excel you're about to enter a formula, and you type your sorting formula, press the tab key, and you notice that it's asking us to give an array. An array is the field of work you want Excel to work on. So in our case, we want Excel to sort the entire of this data. So we're going to highlight the entire of this data. So you highlight it, then Control Shift down. We've already highlighted our entire data. You put a comma there. This is our data. As you can see, it's 3,399. It's huge data. After you put a comma, you notice here we are supposed to give the sort index. Remember, we want to sort our data using the total vacancy dates. This one is what we want to sort our data using. So the sort index is the number of the column you want Excel to sort your data using. In this case, column I here is number 9. So you're just going ahead and put a 9 there. If you wanted Excel to sort your data using the postcode, you will have put column number 1. Then you put a comma to go to the next prompt. And you notice Excel is asking, do you want to sort your data using ascending or descending order? In this case, the data is already in descending order. So let's put it back to the ascending order. So you see ascending order is 1. So you press 1. And then you put another comma for the next and the last prompt. So Excel is asking us true, sort by column, or false, sort by row. I'm going to pause and explain what this means. If you put true, you're telling Excel to sort your data using the columns. What are the columns? The columns are down here. So here, remember at the sort index, we did put 9. So if we put maybe a true, which is a column, Excel will come here and pick the value of 9 from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It will sort your data using this column, this entire column. But we surely don't want to see that. We want to sort our data using the rows because these are the rows. These are the rows. And we did choose I. Which is number 9. So we're going to put here a false there. And I'm going to close our formula and hit enter. So Excel has already done the magic work and our data is here. It's already sorted in the ascending order from the smallest to the largest. Here it is. It has already duplicated this to this part. So we still remain with our original data, which is sorted in the descending order. And now we have the magic work of Excel here using the formula sort, which has already done the sorting using the ascending formula or the ascending order. In my case, I want to do this facility maintenance turnaround. So I'll have to remove this old data, and I'm gonna paste my new data In my next video, I'm going to do a scrutiny of this facility maintenance turnaround, and I'm gonna find the findings, and you will have to see it later. My name is Nick. I do facility management analysis work, and I'll be very thankful if you subscribe to my channel, give a comment, and like my videos. Thank you very much.